A very good morning to all. Today we'll do the exercise part of chapter number 16, that is money and markets. So here in page number 127 you can see chapter checklist. That means you have to tick the concepts which you have understood. Now let's move on to the exercise part. Here the first one is fill in the blanks. So the first one is dash issues currency in India. Second one, dash helps us to buy things. Third one, everything that we buy has a dash. Fourth one, people keep money in the dash so that it can be of use later. Fifth one, a dash is a very large store. Now let's check the answers. So the first one is the Reserve Bank of India, that is the RBI, issues currency in India. Second one, money helps us to buy things. Third one, everything that we buy has a price. Fourth one, people keep money in the bank so that it can be of use later. Fifth one, a supermarket is a very large store. So this was the first exercise. Now let's move on to the second one. The question is write true or false. So you have to mark it whether it's true or false. The first one is people issue currency. Second one, we can use the rupee all over the world. Third one, in the barter system, money was used. Fourth one, money cannot be used to buy services. Fifth one, pound is the currency of the USA. Now let's check the answers. So here you can see all the answers are false. The first one, people issue currency. So it's a false statement. Here Reserve Bank of India issues currency in India. Second one, we can use the rupee all over the world. So this is also false because each country have its own money, that is they have their own currency. Third one, in the barter system money was used. It's false. Money was not used in barter system. Fourth one, money cannot be used to buy services. It's false because when we use different services of different people, we pay them in terms of money. Fifth one, pound is the currency of the USA. So dollar is the currency of the USA. So this was the second exercise. Now let's move on to the third one, and the question is answer the following questions. So the first question is what is meant by currency? The answer is currency is the unit of money used in different countries. Second question is name a common currency that is used by number of countries in Euro. The answer is the common currency that is used by number of countries is Euro. Third one, how can we save money for the future? The answer is people keep money in banks so that it can be of use later to buy things they need. Fourth one is what are the uses of money? The correct answer is money is used to buy and sell goods and services. Fifth one is how is a supermarket different from a market? Let's see the correct answer. In markets, there are shops that sell stationery, toys, clothes, plastic wares, flowers and many other goods for our day-to-day requirements. Whereas a supermarket is a very large store which sells many different kinds of products, and instead of visiting many shops to buy different things that we need, we can go to a supermarket and save time. So this was the fifth answer. The next exercise is think it over, and here the question is have you ever saved money? How did you save it? Why did you save it? And what did you do with the money you saved? So this answer you have to first write it in your notebook and then you have to submit in Teams. Next one, you can see activity corner. Two activities are there, life skill activity and value check activity. So the first one, life skill. Here you can see 3 jars with 3 labels. The first jar with spending, second jar with saving and the third one with sharing. Now you have to decide how would you like to use your pocket money and put it in these 3 jars. So the first one is spending. That means the money that you will use to buy small things that you can use. So you have to decide how much will you spend. Second one is saving. That means the money that you will save for later use. So you have to decide how much money you will save. Third one is sharing. That means using money for social causes. So this is the life skill activity which you have to do it at your home. Next one is value check activity, and the question is, Rajat sees an expensive toy in the shop which he doesn't really need. Should he buy it? What would you advise him to do? So here you can see 3 hints for your answer. The first one is, first you have to think, do you really need this toy? Second one is the price within my budget? So you have to think whether your budget is enough to buy this toy. Third one is, do you have to buy whatever I want? So with the help of these 3 hints, you can write your answers. After that, you have to submit in Teams. So this was the exercise part of chapter number 16, Money and Markets. Now you can see in page number 129, practice paper 1. And in page number 131, you can see practice paper 2. So you have to solve these papers and then you have to submit in Teams. Now we have completed the last chapter of social science. We have covered all the chapters of grade 5 social science. I hope you all have understood it. And if you have doubts related to any chapter or any topic or any exercise part, you can ask doubts or you can send your doubts through school WhatsApp number, or you can also submit in Teams. That's all for today. Thank you for your support. Thank you.